Welcome to Art Book Nook. My name is Kay and I share and review my collection of art and craft books. Today we're going to look at 101 Watercolor Secrets by Anna Bucciarelli. So whether you're a novice or seasoned artist, 101 Watercolor Secrets promises to be an indispensable resource that offers practical guidance, artistic inspiration and a wealth of knowledge to elevate your craft. This book has 253 pages, with lovely print and excellent paper quality. The book is thoughtfully divided into 10 main sections, which makes it really easy to navigate, especially when you're looking for something specific. You can dip in and out, find exactly what you need, and return to it whenever necessary. The sections include decoding pigment labels, exploring colour families, building your signature palette, tools that matter, essential techniques, favourite subjects, dealing with challenges and common frustrations, composition secrets, Anna's favourite tips and tricks, and unveiling your potential with strategies for growth in watercolour painting. I've decided to review this book as a video series, otherwise this book review will take well over an hour and I'm sure no one has the stamina for that. So I'll release a new chapter every day until we reach the end of this incredible book by Anna Bucciarelli. So this episode covers chapter 6. Anna shares some of her favourite subjects that she likes to paint, and she walks us through the palettes and techniques she uses for each one. She covers flowers, stems and leaves, fruits and vegetables, birds and animals, faces and Let It Snow, which is all about winter landscapes. When painting flower petals, Anna often uses single stroke petals, wet on wet single layer technique, wet on damp petal veins, or a combination approach for complex petals. Across these 2 pages, Anna explains how to create flower stems, beginning with single strokes for simple stems and a 2-layered approach for some more advanced stems. She also uses lifting technique and wet and dry to apply complex textures. Painting extreme flower close-ups is one of Anna's favourite ways to practice watercolour, and here we have 2 detailed case studies, Gladioli and Tulip. Here Anna explains her favourite techniques for painting greenery, from beginner-friendly one-step applications to more advanced layering techniques. Across these 2 pages, Anna has listed the techniques she uses to create leaves from beginner to advance. We have single stroke leaves, granulating wash, wet on wet charging, wet on damp, the lifting technique, wet on dry, negative painting and using masking fluid. No matter what your current skill level is, you can paint even the most complex greenery by applying watercolour techniques you're most familiar with. Here we have a comparative study. Anna painted the peony leaf twice to demonstrate both beginner and more advanced approaches to the same subjects. Case study 1, Anna's used depth and definition in 3 layers, and in case study 2, Anna has incorporated blooming, charging and granulation technique just with 1 layer. Tropical foliage often looks different from the typical leaves we find in cooler climates. Anna helps you see and notice these special aspects of tropical plants so you can paint them with confidence and select the right pigments. Birds with their vibrant feathers and graceful movements have long been Anna's watercolour muse. She loves to combine them with various flowers and fruits. We begin with understanding feather anatomy. Anna has employed 4 different techniques to paint feathers. Top left we have wet on damp wash for soft contour feathers, then wet on dry strokes for extra texture and definition, and on the right hand page wet on dry layers for multicoloured feathers, followed by negative painting for monochromatic flight feathers. Painting complex birds requires careful glazing and a combination of wet on dry and wet on wet techniques. Anna shares her favourite tips and guides you through a step-by-step case study of a particularly intricate bird that she recently painted. You'll learn how to achieve realistic textures, vibrant colours and lifelike details by layering your watercolours effectively. Here Anna gives us 4 tips for painting fruits and berries. Observation is key. Choose vibrant colours, embrace layering and focus on texture. In the case study of pomegranates, Anna has shown us her typical process for painting fruits, from creating a pencil outline to adding step-by-step watercolour washes to slowly build form and texture. Anna gives us 5 tips for painting watercolour pets. Experiment with composition, include personal objects, bring extra focus to the eyes, negative painting for fur, and masking fluid for extra detail. Anna has detailed several tips of how to approach portrait painting. She's provided a case study of a child portrait she completed in just 4 steps. Here Anna has suggested 3 primary colour wheels for creating skin tones, with tips for painting animal, bird and human eyes, which of course all require a different approach. Painting snowy scenes can be both challenging and rewarding. How to capture its unique luminosity and texture requires a thoughtful approach. Anna will describe her favourite tips and techniques to help you create stunning snowscapes. And we conclude this chapter with some stylised snow techniques for holiday projects. In the next episode in this series, we'll explore Chapter 7, Dealing with Challenges and Common Frustrations, where Anna shares tips and practical advice to help you overcome any tricky problems you may encounter with watercolour. In the meantime, if you'd like to learn more about Anna and her beautiful work, I've included links to her website and social media in the description below, along with links to where you can buy your own copy of this inspiring book. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give the video a like. It really helps YouTube share it with others who enjoy art books too. I post a new art book review every week, so if you'd like to see more, do consider subscribing. I truly appreciate it. If you found the review helpful, please feel free to leave a comment below. I reply to everyone. And if there's an art book you'd like me to feature, just let me know. I'll do my best to review it for you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy painting!